Hello everyone. Changes to entry period for USA Lotary 2027 Diversity Visa Day program from the official website. This one. So there are the Department of the Immigration through random selection of this famous diversity program. For the year 2027, there are some implementing for certain changes to the diversity entry process, and they confirm through the official website of the travel.state.gov of the ACA that the US visas used from this tab that these changes will not affect the visa application period for individuals selected for DEV, which will remain in the same period. So nothing will happen, and all people will attend to immigrate can apply their data, but the same thing they are extending or not announced till now when is the registration, but it will happen as soon as practicable. So this is a promise. Okay, so it will happen the registration period as soon as practicable. Don't worry, all you need is to follow this page. I will put here the link in the description, and please subscribe to reach every important upload to this channel. It's called Engycation. Thanks for watching the video.